welcome to our live streaming in SprintPCB. And today we are in the Global Sources Hong Kong exhibition, and our booth number is 11P20. And I will introduce what is the SprintPCB, how is the PCB, SprintPCB line, the factory line in Shenzhen City. And our SprintPCB company is established in 2007 in Daxing District in Beijing City. And here is our some background here. And we moved from the Daxing, Beijing City to Shenzhen City since 2011. And now we have more than 500 people, and we have introduced many new advanced devices to produce the high-end PCB production. Our advantage is for the multi-layer PCB, high-frequency, high-speed PCB manufacturing. Yes, high-frequency PCB manufacturing. And we have many different PCB material in stock, like the KB, TUC, Shengyi, Rogers, such like that. We have so many different PCB material in our stock to support different type of application, different type of PCB requirements. And we have the certifications like UL, ISO, AI, IATF 16949, and also the ADS 9100SD certification to support you. And if you have any questions, you can write down your questions on this screen. I can reply you. Yeah, welcome the new friends. Come to our live streaming. Okay, and I will introduce more about our SprintPCB history. Yeah, you can see. So our factory is founded in 2007 in Daxing District, Beijing City, and we moved to our Shenzhen and established Shenzhen SprintPCB Cooperation Limited in 2011. And in the next year, July, we successfully manufactured the one-stop HDI prototype in July 2012 for the first time. And we attained the Shenzhen High-Tech Enterprise Certificate in 2015. And 2017 passed the IATF 16949 certification and also the ISO 9001 certification. And we moved to the Fuyong district in Shenzhen City since the 2024. Yeah, and now we have the capacity for more than 40,000 square meters per month. And in 2025, and our new workshop have with a monthly production capacity for 40,000 square meters, and we have the customers, more than 12,000 customers all around the world. Yes, SprintPCB is specialized in the rapid delivery of the high-end PCB manufacturing and provide the one-stop services from research and developing the prototypes to small and medium volume PCB production. And our advantage is for the multi-layer, high-frequency, high-speed PCB manufacturing. We can follow different standards. Yes, follow different standards. IPC Class 2, IPC Class 3, two standards based on your requirements. And if you have any extra requirements, you can write down your requirements together with your Gerber file or the BOM list. Yeah, and we can base on your requirements for production. Of course, we provide one-stop PCB and PCBA support to you. We can help to buy the component sourcing and also do the PCB assembly for you too. Yes. So if you have any requirements, you can send your Gerber file for the PCB production and also BOM list for the component sourcing and the PCB assembly too. Yes, and we have after the several years development, SprintPCB right now have more than 500 people employees in our factory, and we have more than 100 engineers work in our office. Yeah, more than 100 engineers. So our engineers can work 3 times shift. 3 times shift. So they work 24 hours per day. So we can support you very fast quotation reaction and fast delivery. For example, for 2-layer and 4-layer PCB, we can do the expedited PCB manufacturing within the 5 working days. Standard lead time is 5 working days. 5 working days. And for expedited PCB, lead time is for 2-layer and 4-layer is 24 working hours. And for the 4-layer, it is 48 working hours for the urgent prototype 4-layer PCB manufacturing. Yes. And for standard PCB manufacturing, such as the multilayer, like 8-layer PCB, standard lead time is only 7 days. A week. Yes, a week. We can provide you the 8-layer PCB prototypes to you based on your Gerber file after the EQ and working Gerber confirmed. And about the working Gerber file and engineer question, we can provide them within the same day when you issue the PO to us. Yeah, when you issue the PO to us, we can provide them within the same day. So our engineers can work 3 different time shifts to support very fast quotation and working Gerber file and engineer questions to you. And our sales team, we now have more than 10 sales team for the overseas sales. So we can support you very good service for the different countries' customers. We can save more time for you. We can try best to meet your working time and to save the time for you to meet the urgent PCB delivery, such like that. And our PCB application, now I want to introduce our PCB application. You can see in this photo. Okay, our PCB application is high-end PCB like industrial control, equipment manufacturing, automotive industrial, and medical device communication, and low-end orbit satellites and computer products like AI products. We can support this kind of application for you. And so we can make except 2-layer PCB and up to 40-layer PCB manufacturing. And our advantage is for the high frequency, high-speed PCB manufacturing. Yes, high frequency and high-speed PCB manufacturing. Yeah, welcome the new friend come to our live streaming. Here is the channel of Shenzhen SprintPCB manufacturer. Yes, Shenzhen SprintPCB manufacturer. We are a professional PCB and PCBA manufacturer in Shenzhen City. And our advantage is for the multi-layer, high frequency, high-speed PCB manufacturer. Yes. And our PCB standard we can focus on based on the IPC class 2 and IPC class 3. Yeah. And also if you have any extra PCB requirements, like the special requirements, for example, hard gold plating, we can support you too. You can write down your specification, write down your requirements, and we can support you. For the PCB material, we have KB, TUC, Shengyi, Rogers, different base material to support different. Yeah, hello. Yeah. I am now just introducing our base material. We have KB, Shengyi, Rogers, different base material to meet your different applications. Yeah, and we can support also different surface finish like HASL, immersion gold, immersion silver. Yes, I'm come from China. Now we are in the Hong Kong Global Sources exhibition. Yeah. We are the Shenzhen SprintPCB. We are a one-stop PCB and PCBA manufacturing. So if you have any question about the PCB, you can write down. You can write down your questions in the screen. Yeah, I will introduce you. We have more than 500 people, workers in our factory. Yeah, we are one-stop PCB and PCBA manufacturing. Once you send just the Gerber file, we can make the PCB, and from this, we can help to source the electronic components and do the PCB assembly. And here you are some of our PCB samples. This is one of our PCBA samples. Yeah, and we just need to buy the electronic components based on your bill of material, and we produce the PCB board based on your Gerber file. We can support different surface finish like HASL, immersion gold, immersion silver, and if you OSP, we also support this, and we support you the prototype manufacturing, also mass production, and we support like the gold singers, gold plating, and also have some copper embossed. Also different solder mask color like blue color, green color, red color, purple color, blue color, and white color. We also provide different solder mask color to you. About our PCB devices, we have 30 drilling machines for drilling, and we have the laser machine for the HDI PCB manufacturing. Also, we have LDI machine for the circuit making, exposure, and solder mask developing LDI machines. So we just have the laser for the LDI in the LDI machines, so we can provide more precise PCB manufacture. And we focus more on the quality too. We base on IPC class 2. This is our standard, our common standard. And if you want the IPC class 3, we also can meet your requirements. Yeah, and if you want other extra PCB requirements, you can write down your specification and requirements attached with your Gerber file, so we can meet your PCB manufacturing based on your requirements. Yeah, and yeah, welcome the new friend to our SprintPCB live streaming. Yeah, if you want to learn more PCB knowledge or want to know more about our SprintPCB, you can like our YouTube. Yeah, you can like our YouTube. We will have the live streaming every week. Every week we will have the live streaming, and we can train our customers online or offline. Extra knowledge, extra training to our customers. We focus on not just the competitive price, also the high quality, also good service, including extra service. For example, if you have any engineering questions like the layer stack of the PCB or any impedance control questions like that, you can also inquire our engineer. We can reply you. Yeah, and we also, if you have any want to our engineer to train you some of the PCB knowledge, we can also raise online or offline training to you. We have 3 meeting rooms. Yeah. One is for customers, one is for training, and one is our internal meetings. Yeah. The training room is mainly for our workers. We will have 3 different training time to train our workers about how to control the machines, about the PCB safety, and also we will train our workers like the sales. We will train how to provide better service to you. Yeah, now our booth is very popular. We also have many customers here. Yeah. And today, our booth, we have some customers like from Brazil, US, and also from Middle East. Also, we have some kind of customers from there, and different customers from all around the world. Yeah, all around the world. And it's very good. Today is the third day during in this exhibition, and some customers would like the one-stop PCB manufacturing, and we also will have some customers decide to visit our factory because our factory is near the Shenzhen airport. Just 3 metro stations near the Shenzhen airport. Yeah, it's very convenient for you to visit our factory. Hi, Winnie. Yeah, I'll call you here, Winnie. Yeah, say hello. Yeah. Yeah, we are from China.
Yeah, we are from China.
Yeah. And our factory is in Bao'an District, Shenzhen
Bao'an
City.
District, near the airport.
Yes.
4个人。
They asked me what kind of certification we have. Yeah, for the PCB manufacturing, what kind of certifications? Yeah. We have UL,
certification.
UL, ISO,
and IATF 16949. Yes.
Yeah.
And also the aerospace certification, and also the
AS.
ISO certification.
Yeah.
Yes.
19001. Yeah. The ISO certifications. So our PCB quality is meets many foreign countries' quality requirements because we almost have all the certifications in the PCB industry.
Yes,
right.
And about the standards, we can follow
IPC Class 2 and IPC Class 3.
Yes, we also can follow our customer standards.
Customer standard. If you have any different requirements or very special requirements, you can just pack the requirements with your global file.
Yes.
We can follow. We can follow based on your requirements. And now we move our workshop from Shenzhen since the December 2024, right?
Yeah.
And we developed our PCB factory since 2024, and now we have more than 500 employees.
Yes, and 2 buildings.
2 buildings now, and we have the square meters capacities is about 40,000 square meters per month.
Every month.
Per month. So we develop very fast because we established in 2007. Right? 2007. So we develop very fast, and we always focus on the high quality PCB manufacturing.
So most of our PCB type is about over 4-layer PCB.
Yes. And advantage is for the multi-layer PCB.
Yes, about the high frequency. Yes. Also the special material.
Special material. hybrid
material.
And also hybrid PCB production line, Rogers and FR4.
And TUC.
TUC. Standard
Taiwan,
material.
Taiwan brand. Right?
Taiwan brand.
Yes. And the KB.
KB just a very. KB just a very basic material in our factory. Our common use is TUC. Better.
And Senyi. Senyi material. Yes.
Senyi material. Hi. Say hello.
Our live stream. Live stream.
In the live streaming in YouTube.
YouTube. This is our customer.
Possibly you want to ask, try to help him to he helped us with he helped us to help him to copy a PCBA, a PCA products, and he asked us if we can
copy
do it.
PCBA.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah,
You could definitely can
yes.
ask him.
Yeah.
It's a live, no problem. You want to put a live, no problem.
Light is
Hello everyone.
Okay.
We are here in the Hong Kong exhibition,
Yeah.
and they have a really very nice booth,
Yeah.
and very beautiful and friendly stuff.
Yeah.
So I want to know that we are in a business of in solar inverter. So and then once we sell it, after maybe 1 year, 2 years, some parts are not working. Some parts in spare parts are not working.
Okay.
So we cannot get from the manufacturer because they are too busy, they are too big. And so if we ask them, this
You want more flexible battery
yes.
to meet your
So
requirements.
we thought because we sell already from China, we sell it, but with those spare part we cannot get it from the factory. Even we ask them, it take long time to get it. And
So you want to buy it by yourself?
yeah, so I can buy. So then I can do a separate business because the people who fix it, they are asking us, please get this spare part, this board, but we cannot get. So I was thinking when I was passing by that you do PCBA. So can you clone? Can you clone
copy,
them?
clone.
Yeah, you clone it or copy it. I don't know what it's called.
Actually, this is a new business you want to develop,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
Ah.
We are not doing it, so I'm trying to find this supply.
Maybe not the only one product, maybe different.
It's three
products.
brand. It's 3 brand we buy from China, and we need to we are not gonna copy the product. We just need a spare part inside.
You just need to clone or copy the PCBA
Yeah, for certain
for
part.
the just a part,
Yeah, certain part
second
like
part.
certain part, not all.
Yeah.
Maybe within inside of final product there is different. There are different.
It's like
parts.
it's like we are using it. We already sold the product, and after 1-2 years, some parts are not working.
Oh yeah.
So
Maybe not only one part, maybe different parts.
yes,
Yeah.
I have the list. I have the list.
Oh, you have the list.
But
And-
can you clone it? Or
Yeah, we can clone the PCBA, but you need to provide us samples, at least 2 samples.
I can give
Yeah.
you sample, no problem.
Yeah. At least 2 samples. You know why?
Yeah.
One samples we need to move out the components.
Okay.
Yeah, because we need to broken it. We need to move out the components.
fine.
So and one PCBA just for copy, and another one we need to, as the standard, we need to track after the copy if the copy files correct or not. Based.
But
yeah.
but I don't have the software file.
You don't have the software in the.
Of course I don't
No,
have.
so that will be much more easy. Yeah, if
Easy?
no
That's why we need you.
he mean no software. So no software.
My. I don't have the software, but of course you need to put a software inside.
You want us to put the software inside.
Yeah, so where
but
you will
you
get-
need to provide the software.
I don't have it.
You don't have. Oh, I see. So you mean in the PCBA itself, it have burned the software in the PCBA.
Yes.
You need us to copy out the software.
Yes.
You need us to copy out the software from it. And
Because
then
if I ask
burn it.
if I ask the factory, I don't think
Yeah.
so. I don't think so they're gonna give me. Even
So-
I'm buying goods from them, they will never
So
give me.
first of all, you need to confirm which IC chips, which chips has the software inside.
I will give you I will give you everything.
Yeah. You give us samples. Yeah, 2 samples, and you need to tell us. For example, these IC chips U1 footprint have the software inside, and then we will move out the U1 IC chips to our
But
lab.
I think the one we are talking this is good to talk on the YouTube.
No, we it's okay, but because we don't have the key parts there. Here, yeah, it's okay.
It's okay.
Yeah,
No problem.
Just a
You
minute.
can pick up your
Let
phone.
me-
yeah, it's
You
your
can
phone.
pick up your
Hello?
phone.
Yeah. So here is our one of our customer visitors at our booth. He is asking for cloning or copy the PCBA.
后面的地方 Zero 啊，
不知道 I think so. Yes.
他刚刚说那个软件 software，
他意思说啊，它没有软件，但是这个板子里面有，要从里面解密，但是我们要解密要知道哪一个芯片是有软件的，我们才能够放进
有软件，
软件是烧入到那一个芯片或 IC 里面的。我们要知道，他要告诉一个板子很多 IC 嘛，他要告诉我们是哪一颗料里面有软件，这是他们要知道的。
料里面还有软件。
对，烧入进去是这样子的。我们之前解过密。
哦，难怪我说我回答不上他，我回答不上来，我一直不知道他说的那个 software 是什么东西。
是软件，有
我
软件。
没有这方面的经验。
对，他要告诉我们是哪颗料上面有软件，然后我们就把针对这颗料去解密，给到实验室解密。
可以解密到里面的 software 吗？
可以的，可以解密出来。解密出来之后，然后在那时候软件我们考出来了，软件考出来，那我又把这个泵清单考做出来了，各本文件做出来，那我们这个软件又烧入到买到那个芯片，又烧入到这个芯片。
哦，其实这个 software 应该就是那个叫 memory chip。memory chip 可能是那个
存储功能的，有点可以理解。
像我们那个电脑的那个储存卡 storage card like this。
像这样
然后
像这样子，
需要把就是上一个人就是storage some information， 然后在这里面。
但解密的费用是非常高的，而且这种一般都是先付款，然后再去解密，而且解密这个是有风险的。像说我解密出来有可能会解密不成功，但是这个人工成本已经付出了。
但还有一个可能就是有没有可能是解密出来的这个信息不够准确？
6个人，等一下再聊我们中国那个事情。
对。
好。Hi.
Hello.
Yeah. Here is in our Shenzhen Spring PCB Cooperation Limited. We are now in the Global Source Hong Kong exhibition. Yeah. Here is our booth.
Hello.
Yeah. See I'm LB from Spring PCB.
Yeah. This is Lucas.
Lucas.
Okay. Lucas. Very handsome boy.
Yeah, and Shenzhen Spring PCB is a one-stop PCB manufacturing for PCB and PCBA manufacture. We support prototype and mass production.
Yes, from prototype, and actually many customers will ask us if you have some like MOQ or actually we don't have MOQ. And even though customer only need one piece or two piece, we can also provide this kind of service to customer.
Yeah, and we support the fast delivery. For example, for 2-layer and 4-layer, expedited lead time is 24 working hours.
Yeah.
After your engineer question answered and working global is confirmed.
Yes. Our engineer team is very big.
100.
100 employees, 100 engineers. So they have 3 shifts.
Working time.
Working time.
Shifts working time.
3 shifts working time. So even though actually our engineer team can send out EQ within the same day after receive your order. Right?
Yeah. We can send you working global and engineer questions within the same day, or once you issue the PO to us. So if you can reply at the same day, so we can make the 2-layer and 4-layer prototype within 24 working hours.
Yes.
Including the engineer question time.
Yes.
That we can deliver it within the 24 working hours. So support you the fast delivery.
Yes, that's why our delivery time can be so fast. Because we have big engineering team can support this kind of service.
Yeah. They will have also questions. How long should we make a quotation? after send the global
This
file?
is a good question.
Yeah.
And actually, we can reply you about the price within 2 hours after
2 working hours.
after receiving your global file
Yeah.
and the specification.
Yes, yes. So we also have the fast reaction based on your inquiries. Yeah.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, have a seat.
Okay, you know what?
Okay.
Let me. Can you close this one? Or
Close.
那 Winnie 你来直播一下。
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we need also have the live streaming.
It's our another colleague to
Okay, you can do that.
last thing.
哦，你现在是
Because you know why? Because you know why? We're talking of loan.
应该可以对着它吧？
They're close.
哦，OK。哦，不要，哦，不要对着它，我怎么弄？Hello guys, this is Winnie from SprintPCB. Today I would like to show you our booth and our products. 我怎么拿呀？ We are in Hong Kong exhibition, global source. 但是这个我，这个怎么旋转？How to? Oh, turn this one. As you can see, our customer is talking with our clients, our colleague. And we also have our photographer for the social media. And this part we show is our PCBA and the PCB. You can see we prepare some gift for our potential customers. And again, as you can see, this is PCBA board for the AI server. And our PCB introduction, we can provide PCB and PCBA service. Our PCBA factory is near the Shenzhen airport. It's 我们要直播多久啊？
要直播多久？啊？要直播多久？1个小时啊，那就够了。
卢卡，你来锻炼一下，现在刚好可以锻炼一下。
就一个人，是谁在看啊？
Take one again.
Okay.
What is this?
Snail seed.
Yeah.
It's
如果人家是当老板的，那就不一样啊。
我这个普遍现象，比如说我们爸妈那一辈的，他们是不是也是文化水平跟国内的他们那一辈的是差不多的？是手的方面不太一样。我对这个比较好奇。
哦，这个名字念的是吗？跟这个好像啊，这个名字不那么像啊。我们在保安。
秀起来。
The PCBA division in Shenzhen Spring PCB, a plant area of 5,000 square meters, about 300 employees. It focuses on PCBA manufacturing from samples, small batch to large batch in non-customer electronics field, such as security, communication base stations, industry control, automated electronics, medical, and other industry. It provides precision circuit boards, SMT, soldering, product testing, aging, packaging, delivery, chip, program burning, connector crimping, straight soldering, laser marking, lettering, BGA rework, and other service. Come to 11P2 Euro. Let's talk about your project.
PCB. Hello, welcome new friends. This is Spring PCB stream via an exhibition in Hong Kong. We are P and PCBA manufacturer, and this is our PCB introduction and the history of our Spring PCB. Founded in 2007 in Daxing, Beijing, the capital of China, and moved to Shenzhen in 2011. As you can see, we have one customer. Yes. This customer need PCBA service. We can provide PCB and PCBA. So you only等有人来了我就说，没人来我就不说。没有人，有人来了我就说。Welcome new friends. This is live stream of Shenzhen Spring PCB. We are PCB and PCBA manufacturer in Shenzhen. 没人了，我又不说了。刚才有个人进来，我就说。Welcome new friends. Yeah, this new friend. Yeah. We are PCB and PCBA manufacturer in Shenzhen, and our factory is very near the airport. 还有个中国，对。 中国不会是自己人嘛？没有，有人我就说，没人我就不说了。对。Welcome new friends to our live stream. This is Shenzhen SprintPCB, PCB and PCBA manufactured in Shenzhen. It's very near the airport. If you need any Welcome to Sprint's PCB live stream via PCB and PCBA manufactured in Shenzhen. We can provide the PCB and also the PCBA manufacturing. Our PCB use many products like induction control, like automatic and medical communication and the computer. And now we are talking with our customer about the PCBA needs. So if you have similar needs, you can follow us. Welcome new friends. We are at the exhibition in Hong Kong. We are PCB and PCBA manufacturer near the Shenzhen airport. And here is our photographer for the social media. Good afternoon. Welcome new friends. We are at the exhibition in Hong Kong Global Source. We are a factory, PCB and PCBA. We can make both PCB and PCBA. If you need similar needs, please follow us. 现在就是还没有大。
Very, very good. I am not good, very good. They even can read and write.
他这句话应该有问题。
That's very good.
是光是聚焦在高端 PCB 跟 PCBA 生产，哪里有问题？
Very low. Thank you very much. Please help me. Please help me. Please, please. Help me. My cousin. One is 19, she's gonna be 19. One is 30, one is 10, one is 8.
开了还能改吗？
But they also like the right and the so very nice to meet you. Thank you, please help me. Let me go around. Okay.
来，I want to together。
拍个照给他们。
Okay.
我来这个能开吗？
I don't know how to do it. Thank you very much.
Maybe you need a bag.
No, it's okay. It's okay, no problem. Thank you very much. Thank you, bye bye.
photo to you.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you，拜拜。哦，第一次看到，我好久没有发朋友圈了，我觉得好有意思。
还说一般系统出什么它就开什么的。才会说都是按照系统去开的。改是不行的。不加序列号会便宜一点。
从小在香港长大的，我操！
数量写着多少就是报多少的意思。我怕你不小心看上我是吧？
数接触。